A cheerful frog and a clever rat lived by the edge of a lush green riverbank, sharing tales of adventure and dreams. One day, the frog convinced the rat to explore the river, tying their legs together with a vine. As they leapt into the water, the frog swam joyfully, but the rat struggled, splashing frantically. The frog swam deeper, pulling the terrified rat along, unaware of the danger approaching. A swooping hawk spotted the flailing rat and dived swiftly, grabbing it with sharp talons. The hawk flew away with both the rat and the frog still tied together, lifting them into the sky. The frog realized too late that selfishness led to danger, as both were carried away by the hawk. Moral of the story: think of others before acting. Selfishness can lead to shared misfortune.